Hey, cruisers, happy Thursday to you. Hey, do you like to change your name? Well, I know some people do, and Carnival has just recently made a name change to one of their cruise ships. So it was revealed today that the Carnival Cruise Line has officially renamed the Carnival Victory to the Carnival Radiance as it undergoes a $200 million renovation, and that's from stern to bow, so a massive renovation. And this renovation is taking place in Navantia and Cadiz, Spain. So hopefully I kind of pronounced that right, I hope. So Carnival Radiance, the line's third ship in the Sunshine class series, is scheduled to depart Cadiz, Spain on October 18th for a 7-week journey to Long Beach, California, with stops along the way in Miami and a transit through the Panama Canal. So beginning on December 13th, the Carnival Radiance will cruise to Baja, Mexico from Long Beach Cruise Terminal for 3 and 4-day cruises. Now, as part of this route, the 3-day cruises depart on Fridays and stop in Ensenada, Mexico, and the 4-day cruises will be on Mondays, and it'll call to both Ensenada and Catalina Island. So this is a quote. So, the transformation of Carnival Victory has been in the works for quite some time, but we're delighted that she can now be officially called Carnival Radiance, the newest member of our fleet, said Christine Duffy, who's the president of Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Radiance features all of our most popular spaces and provides a truly unique and exciting vacation option for Southern California short cruise market. Now, Carnival Radiance will be christened in Long Beach in a traditional naming of the ship. So more details on that will come out later. So in addition to the Carnival Radiance, Carnival Miracle will reposition to Long Beach on September 27th to operate short cruises to Mexico, as well as Carnival Panorama sailing week-long voyages to the Mexican Riviera. So that's huge news for Carnival, and that's as of today. So that's all I have for right now. I know it was short, but I know sometimes you guys like it just short and quick and right to the point. So I'll be posting more later on today. My name's Chuck Tuck. I'm your host, and please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and put some comments down below. Thanks again. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.